Hi guys, this is Kira. She is about 45 days along, and I just wanted to show you guys what a 45-day along boxer looks like, because I was always curious and I wanted to know. So this is what a 45-day pregnant boxer, at least mine, looks like. And she should have about 8 to 10 puppies. And she's pretty big. Let's see. She's pretty big for 45 days. And she's being a good sport. Yes, she is. Hi, you being a good sport? Let's see. Are you being a good sport? Hi, Kira. So, this is just a quick, short video. Just letting you see what my 45-day pregnant boxer looks like. She's starting to get some milk glands down here. So, well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. We're gonna have babies pretty soon, and we're gonna put those on. So, talk to you later. Bye.